Okay, so what are the string concatenations and string interpolations? When working with the string, combining different pieces of the text together in the common operations you are often find yourself dealing with. In Python, you can combine multiple string. It can be combine the multiple string together with the plus operator. We can use the plus operator, that one. This process is called string concatenation. These are string concatenations one. My string hello, then my string 2 is a bird. So we use this plus operator to concatenate this one. And we added this single quotation for to space, getting the space. Okay, but note that only work with the string. This is a work with only the string, not for the numbers. Okay, you put the numbers to plus operator. It is going to be get the type errors. Okay, so name and age equal name plus age. Name and age is a type error because of the age is a 26 is a number. Okay. Then this happens because Python does not have automatically convert other data types. Ah. It's a Python because it is not automatically convert other data types like integer, it is a string when you concatenate them. Python requires all the elements to the string before it can be concatenated them. To fix that, you convert the numbers. Yeah, firstly, you want to convert this age into the string using these command. Then you can combination of this 26. Yeah, John Doe 26. Firstly, you want to convert this using this string age. You can also use the augmented assignment operator for concatenations. This is represented by the plus and equal sign. Yeah, yeah. We can use another way to we can use this plus operator using plus and equal, and perform both concatenation and assignment in the one step. Here in the actions, name equal John Doe, then age goes to be 26. Name and age equal name. Start with the name, and the name and age plus or equal string goes to be append the age is string. Okay, and the print name and age is John Doe 26. Yeah. The process of inserting the variables and expression into the string is called string interpolations. These things are the string interpolations thing. And Python has categorized of the string called string, and which allow you to handle interpolation with the compact and readable syntax. It is a string interpolations, and f string we use to shorten the f string thing. Yeah, what the f string is starting f, which is a lowercase and uppercase before the quotes, and allow you to embed variable expression inside the replacement field, indicate by the curly brackets. Curly brackets you can use for that. The f name is name and the age is yeah, this is curly bracket. So it comes to the this name into this one, and age comes to this one. So you firstly added the f string. Okay. So and the numbers, the f number is a number one. We can add the f five mark into the this one. Then at this a number two at the 10 one. So the sum of the 5 and 10 is 50. Okay, how you can concatenate string in Python? Using these plus operators. Yes. And what does the str functions do? It returns the string version of the given object. It replaces the provided character within the string. It returns the string version of the given object. Yeah, I think this one. And what is a string interpolations? So what is interpolation? The process of phasing the string extracts specific portions. The process of string, no, the process of splitting a string into substring, and the process of inserting variable and expression into the string. I think this one, the process of inserting variable expression into the string. Yeah, that's the. Yeah. So the string interpolation is a process of inserting variables and expression into the string. It expresses the into the string. Yeah. Then what is a string slicing? Slicing, and how does it work? String slicing. Okay. In the previous lessons, you learned how each character in the string can be identified by its index and accessed during the bracket notations. It is accessed using the bracket notations. So my string equal hello world. So print my string equal 0. Then it goes to be h, and string index is 6. It goes to be w. Then my string equal -1, it goes to be d. So at the end of the word we can get it. So what is a string slicing? String slicing is let you extract the portions of the string of the work with the only specific part of it. Here's a basic syntax. Yeah, let you extract positions of the string of the work only a specific part. Here's a basic syntax. String, then at the start and the stop. Okay, so that's the slicing. Indexing slicing. The what is the first starting position, start index, then added the colon, then stop destinations. If you want to access the character of the certain index in another, that is a start and a stop in, yeah, in dice. So that is a slicing. Okay, we call it string slicing. My string equal hello world, then print my string 1 to 4 is el. Note that the stop index is non-intensive. So that's the thing. 1 to 4, it accepts the characters of the 1 and but not include the character index is 4. So you can also omit the start and stop in dice. So and Python will default 0. So Python always it have the default value is a 0. So we add these like these. So it comes starting from the 0 thing at the ending point. Okay. So that's the thing. You can also go to starting and stop things. That is a parameters use string start stop step. Okay, and the other things we can increment indexing we can edit start stop then at the step, that one. So it is sweeping hello world. 0 is a h, then it goes to be 11. So 2 by 2. First added the h, then added the 1, l, then added the o, comma, then added the o, the w, w and r, ld. So the zero value is h, then added the l, w, o, w, r, ld. So 2 by 2. This helpful trick can you do with the step parameters and reverse to string by setting up the -1. Okay, so hello world is -1. -1 goes to be comes from the D, then L, R, O, W. That's the thing. The reverse method. How do exactly specific portions of the string in Python? Extract the specific portion of the string. using the curly braces, start and stop questions. And what is the outcome of the hello 2 point? It's start in the second index. So L, then and then the end position is empty. Default the last element. So this one. What is the purpose of the optional step parameter? Yeah, it specifies the size string change be place or not, and specify the increment between each characters to the exact, and ensure that the character extract specify the maximum number of the repeated characters to the extract. I think this is a it is specifies the increase between each characters is string. Yeah, that's the thing. They specify the increase between each character is extract. Increment. They increment this using these step parameters. What is why this is not correct? How do you extract the specific positions of the string in Python? How do you extract the specific positions? Using the square bracket or angle bracket? Yeah, now parentheses. Yeah, no. I using the square bracket. Yeah, square brackets. Yeah, square bracket. We use the square bracket to uh, this one. Okay.